What's up guys, Sal here. So judging from the crazy demand for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, it's safe to say Samsung has finally succeeded in making foldable smartphones a mainstream product. Now as expected, Samsung wants to expand the portfolio of foldable devices, and that's exactly what they are doing. Samsung Display showcasing a triple folding smartphone in action at a display event. Samsung only shows the foldable in its expanded state, but when fully extended, the display measures up to 7.2 inches, giving users a large screen canvas for multitasking. The video shows out up to 3 different apps positioned side by side simultaneously on the individual screen. Although Samsung didn't show it in the event, a previous video shows that you can put this phone in a neat 10-fold mode, which also doubles as a bedside display. A simple fold brings the device to a pocket-friendly size, which helps it slip into a jacket without any difficulties. This triple folding phone isn't the only new foldable gadget to expect in the near future. Samsung will also put to good use everything it has learned from making foldable phones by making a large foldable Galaxy Book Fold laptop. Ice Universe posted the following message on Twitter, which gives us the purported branding for the Samsung foldable laptop, which is Galaxy Book Fold 17, suggesting it sports a 17-inch display. Unfortunately, he didn't provide any additional specifics regarding the laptop. However, this does throw us back to May of this year, when Samsung Display teased a device exactly like this. It's also worth mentioning that although foldable laptops are rare, this is not going to be the first foldable laptop, as Lenovo has already launched one. But like I've said, we still have no time frame on when we could expect these new foldable devices. The fact that it's still in the early stages of development indicates that Samsung has a lot of things to iron out, especially the software, so I guess it would take a while for these two to come out. Samsung has also made the world's first 200 megapixel smartphone camera official today. Depending on the light, it will take either 12.5 megapixel images or 50 megapixel or even full 200 megapixel resolution images. Samsung isn't saying how big this sensor is, but it's apparently smaller than the 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN2 we have on the Xiaomi's Mi 11 Ultra and the upcoming Galaxy S22. Samsung also showcased a 50 megapixel ISOCELL HP1 sensor, which has autofocus improvements. But to be honest, there's nothing special in these two sensors that should get your attention. And that's the reason Samsung will not use this 200 megapixel sensor on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It will again use the same but improved 108 megapixel sensor. Of course, do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.